Hello guys, my name is Xampp, a student at MCS, the final semester. I am facing a problem. I installed the Xampp many times but doesn't create a shortcut. I find it anywhere but I don't execute again. So for this I find the solution. Finally I make this video for those students who passing the problem just like me. So follow me. First of all, go to the folder where you install the Xampp. I installed the Xampp on the folder D on the name Xampp, and go to in the last Xampp control plugin and right click on it and pen to start. I pen to start earlier, so unpen again and right click on it and pen to start. This will be shown on the taskbar. Go taskbar. If anyone don't want just like this to start on the taskbar, pen to start, so right click on it, send, and desktop create shortcut, and this will be shown on the desktop, and you will find it so easy. Yeah, I find the Xampp shortcut, so double click on it, it will be open. Thank you guys for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.